Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to clear site data for a specific website in Google Chrome without affecting your other browsing data. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome, then go to website whose data you want to clear. Now press F12 on your keyboard to open Developer Tools. On the Developer Tools window, on the right side, click on Application tab. Under Application, select Storage. Under Storage, on the right side, you will see Clear Site Data. So, what is site data? Let's understand what site data is. When you visit a website, Chrome stores information such as cookies, cache, files, local storage, index, DB, service workers. This helps website load faster and remember your preferences. However, if this stored data becomes outdated or corrupted, the website may stop working correctly. By clearing site data, Chrome will remove all stored data for this website, including cookies, cache, local storage, and other site-specific data. Now, refresh the website after clearing site data. The website will load as if you were visiting it for the first time. After clearing site data, you may be signed out of the website. Save website preferences may be removed. Offline data stored by the website will be deleted. The website will load fresh files the next time it loads. This only affects the current website. Your browsing history and data from other websites remain unchanged. So that's how you can clear site data in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and press the notification bell for more Windows, Chrome, and technology tutorials. Thanks for watching.